In this video, I will show you how to use 4-port VNA to test the return loss of the combiner. This is a 5-port combiner. We connect 3 of the output ports into the 1, 2, 3 port of VNAs, and the input port to the 4 port of VNA. Then for the channel 1, we change the trace line to S11, and then we can hit a marker. And use mark search function. The search range should be equal to the working range of the port. Then we use the mark search function to search the maximum return loss in the working range of this port of the combiner. And then we can see that the maximum is minus 18.45 dB for the maximum return loss. Then we can change the trace line to S22 to get the maximum return loss of another port. You can still get the maximum return loss from the marker. The marker tells that the maximum return loss is about 18.95. Because this is a 4-port VNA, so we can allocate 3 channels and test all the return loss of different 3 ports at the same time. So then we can change it to the second channel and change it to slot to S11 and hit a marker. Open the mark search function and edit the search range equal to the working range. Then we can get the maximum return loss from the marker value. And change the trace line to S22. And we can also get the maximum return loss for another point. For the third channel, it's the same steps. Hit a marker. Open mark search function. Input the search range. Then we can get the maximum return loss value from the marker. that's all. So this is the steps of how to use 4-port VNA to test the return loss value for multi-port duties.